morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another informative video. Today is Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. And there's blood on my screen again. We've got a $33,000 Bitcoin down 13% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum down 21%. Lord have mercy. I thought I'd never see this again. Hey, we've got a $2,000 Ethereum. We've got an Ethereum that is less than $2,000. It was just not that long ago that I thought we would never see this again. And here it is. We've got a $33,000 Bitcoin and a $1,900 Ethereum. Today, I want to try to reassure folks again that we've seen this all before. And this, I hope, does not scare people off. It's amazing that we got Doge sitting here as the number 4 coin, and Tether is now number 3. Binance Coin has fallen to the point now where it is below Cardano. If you guys remember, Binance Coin was the number 3 coin, but it's off 28%. XRP is number 7. Polkadot off 31% in the last 24 hours. Okay, it's almost like they got folks spooked. This is not just institutional investors now. This is people who have been investing for a while, and now they're getting scared. Internet Computer down 50% in the last 7 days. Come on now. This is solid technology, and people are being run off. Run off. They're frightened. This is actually coming down to real fear. Look at this. Uniswap down 32%. Okay. Chainlink down 34%. Are you kidding? Stellar 25%. This is a horrendous thing. Now, I want to remind people that it was not long ago that Stellar, if you look at this like maybe a year ago, Stellar was way down there at 4 cents, I believe. I just want to dig into that for just a second here, just to give people an understanding. 59% on the week. Let's take a look at what's going on with Stellar Coin, and then we're going to talk about China for a second. Okay. I want everybody to look at this. Look how Stellar was 5 freaking cents in 2019. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go on over here to, there it is, 2020. Let's go to May of 2020, y'all. Look at this. May of 2020, April of 2020, you could have got it for a nickel. May of 2020, you could have gotten Stellar for 7 cents. And Stellar ran all the way up, okay, to 69 cents, maybe a little more. Okay, look at that, 72 cents. And now it's all the way back down to 30 cents. Why am I showing you this? I'm showing you that the crypto winter of 2019 and 2020 drove technologies that are viable all the way down to less than a dime. A dime. And there are plenty of people that bought in at the high point of the cycle in 2018. Okay, look at this. And this is indicative of what could happen to the entire crypto space. Are we headed to another crypto winter? And more importantly, ask yourself this question. Does it matter? Now, if you're one of those folks out there who is trying to make money in the short term, this is not financial advice, but this is my opinion. This is not the place you probably want to be. This is a long-term game. You've got to be investing for the long term until these technologies actually become part of the infrastructure and our day-to-day lives. And right now, people haven't built enough for this stability to be in place. There's not enough applications that are using Stellar. And for that matter, it's not a daily thing even for the big two, the Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're still trying to build the infrastructure. That's why we're going to see these swings, okay? Institutional investors coming in and out, causing these big swings now. Look at that. This is not even a fall. This is just like a total drop off. I mean, a total dump. That's not normal. Obviously, computer-driven trading. Now, people want to talk about what computers now. What are you talking about? And this is where I get to, is it possible and plausible that a lot of the stake is tied not just to institutional investors here in the United States, but globally? And if so, what country do you think might have the greatest influence? Could it possibly be the country with the most people? You know, when we start talking about the most people, we're starting to talk about the Chinese, India, okay? What they do over those countries does have some effect on these markets. And I just wanted to take the time to dig into an article today and give you some commentary on what I think is going to actually happen. Look at this. This is on CoinDesk this morning. The National Internet Finance Association of China, the China Banking Association, and Payment and Clearing Association of China reiterated their stance on banning crypto services. The three entities published a note Tuesday confirming bans originally implemented in 2013 and 2017 that bar financial and payment institutions from providing any services related to cryptocurrency transactions, and saying that initial coin offerings remain illegal. IPOs are illegal in China. Listen at this. Virtual currencies prices have soared and plummeted recently, resulting in a rebound of speculative trading activities of virtual currency. It has seriously damaged the safety of the people's investment and damaged the normal economic and financial orders. China calls crypto an investment. Crypto demand bounces. Let's listen at this. Interview here by some reporters on this actual incident. Okay, on CoinDesk.
Welcome to the Daily Forecast, April 19th, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, Editor-in-Chief of Forecast News. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. Well, Beijing seems to be softening its stance on blockchain-based digital assets after its 2017 ban on virtual currency trading. Li Bo, the deputy governor of China's central bank, this is the PBOC, of course, he said he believes crypto assets will play a major role in China as an alternative investment tool, and doesn't consider them currencies that compete with China's digital yuan. He spoke yesterday during the Bao Forum for Asia, an annual conference seen by some as China's answer to the annual World Economic Forum. Now, stable coins were also in focus, examples like Tether and Paxos. Li said that if they have ambitions to become widely used payment tools, well, they will be subject to even stronger regulation in China than Bitcoin. Reaction from the Chinese public on social media platform Weibo has mostly been positive. Many users interpreting the news as a hopeful development for cryptocurrencies. Asia's top economy may have a place for crypto, after all. All right, let's take a look at spot prices on Bitcoin. Topped out at around the $57,000 mark at 4 p.m. local Hong Kong time. It's a 1.5% increase from the same time yesterday. And taking a look at the...
Why am I showing you this? We all know that it's not 57,000. Look at this. This is showing you Bitcoin at 57,000. Obviously, this is before the ban, right? Now, the reason I'm showing you this is to let you see the fickleness of these world powers with regards to cryptocurrency. You see, they keep throwing rocks at it because there's not an alternative technology that can compete. The only alternative is to stay with what you got. Now, 1 minute, they're talking about crypto over in China could be a viable investment. The next minute, they're banning it again. Look, you banned it in 2013. You banned it in 2017. Now you're banning it in 2021. And what I see is it's almost like clockwork. What is that? 2013 to 2017. Look at that. It's a 4-year space. 4 years. And what's 4 plus 2017? 2021. Don't you think it's kind of odd that every 4 years China bans crypto? There's something to that. There's something to that. Why wasn't it like every 2? Why wasn't it a 3 and then a 5? Every 4 years, there's a ban on crypto. As a matter of fact, I think what we'll find is every time crypto gets run up and Bitcoin hits all-time highs and people see that this is a business opportunity, China bans crypto. Could this be what is causing crypto to crash? I don't know. It just absolutely seems like an odd coincidence that China starts to ban crypto and then all of a sudden crypto goes in the toilet. Okay? Let's dig a little bit more in this. The goal of the notice, according to the statement, is to reiterate the previous announced bans on cryptocurrencies. And in 2013, China's central bank barred financial institutions from handling Bitcoin transactions, according to the notice from the China Securities Regulatory Commission. And then again in 2017, the central bank in China declared initial coin offering, ICOs, as illegal, which caused Bitcoin's price to fall. Ha ha. So it does look like there's a tie. Every time China fucking bans crypto activity, Bitcoin takes a tumble. At press time, Bitcoin was changing hands at 43,000, down 2.62% in the past 24 hours, according to CoinDesk 20. So, if we can see that there's a linkage between computer-generated trading and this ban of crypto by the Chinese, the largest population in the world, I don't know who's number one right now, folks in India or China. I think China's still number one. I think what we can see is that this cycle is going to repeat itself again. We might be headed towards another crypto winter. How does Stellar's, graph compare to Bitcoin? I think we know it's going to be a mirror. Let's see how close of a mirror it is. Look at this. Let's do all again. So Bitcoin went up a whole lot more, but we still see this U pattern. There it is, 2017. Chinese piss on Bitcoin. It goes all the way down into crypto winter. And the crypto winter pretty much lasted from 2018 after the peak. Let's see, we had a peak in 2017. The Chinese banned crypto again. And, it was 2013 the first time. They banned cryptocurrency. Now we go down and we end up having crypto winter for, 19, 20. And then here we come up in 2021, 4 years after the ban. And boom, we shoot up again. Here we go again. We got a ban on cryptocurrency. And it goes down sharply. The computer generated this computer-driven trading. I think there has to be a linkage between this. The Chinese have a lot of money, and I wouldn't be surprised if the institutional investors and the Chinese government, this whole thing is all one big cannoli. Okay? So the question becomes, where's the bottom? I don't rightly know. I do know this. This is the highest Bitcoin's ever been. And if I was looking at this graph, I would think that we've got to be close to the floor. I just don't see Bitcoin going all the way back to the days of being a $3,000 coin. I just don't see it. I just don't see any possible way that it could go back to even a 20,000. But we are at 30,000. Could we be going all the way back to the all-time highs of 2017 and that becomes the floor? And if so, what does that mean for all the other cryptos? I know one thing's for sure. The cycle will repeat itself. Whether it takes 2 months for cryptocurrency to come back into the limelight as a viable technology, because it is, or whether it takes another 3 years or 4 years after the third ban on cryptocurrency by the Chinese. Okay, if it takes another 4 years, well, guess what? You get the opportunity of a lifetime for the third time in a row. First 2017, then 2021, and guess what? Here we go again, 2025. Look out, folks. Here comes that $500,000 Bitcoin. And we know that the Chinese will probably ban it, but you know what? I think this time around it's going to be different. There's too many institutional investors who came in and bought in, and they bought in at high levels. So at this point, they're going to have to work something out. It's not going to be like last time. The crypto winter is not going to be as long as last time. It's not going to be a 4-year thing. I've got my fingers crossed. That's my opinion. I'm sticking to it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this analysis. Don't worry about the bans on crypto, because guess what? Until we have another viable means of storing data and information for the use of creating new and vibrant applications, right? Until we have another capability that is on the scale of what Ethereum has to offer and Chainlink, I just don't see this capability going away. Okay? And people have been writing in PHP and Oracle and Objective-C and C++ and all these different Java applications for decades now. And they're ready for something that's newer, faster, okay, more complete, more robust. They're ready for identity management handled on the blockchain. They're ready for data and information to be stored in smart contracts on the blockchain. They're ready for infrastructures like Internet Computer to reinvent the internet. They're ready for Ren. They're ready for it. They're ready for Theta. What is there out there that can compete with these new technologies emerging that actually address real world problems? They're ready for Helium, okay? Actually being able to put these boxes out there, okay, and actually transmit internet connectivity, the Internet of Things, okay, to devices out there. This is blockchain technology that can't be ignored. There's nothing out there that's going to compete with it other than what we already have. So all we have to do is wait. Continue to accumulate. Okay? Don't put your life savings in this stuff and be sitting there and not be able to pay your bills. But at the same time, don't get left behind because you got scared and couldn't wait 2 months, 2 years, or 4 if necessary. This is going to make a lot of people wealthy. They just gotta hold on. If you enjoyed this video, throw up the likes, throw up the shares. This is Crypto Big Boss, and I'm out.